Let's talk about fruits. We all love eating some or the other fruits, there is no doubt about it. We enjoy fruits in so many different ways, like raw fruit, juices, and as toppings on ice creams, in milkshakes, in salads, the list goes on. If you are planning for a fat loss or a detox, the first thing that comes to our mind is eating lots of fruits and juices. If we are little sick, we go for fruits instead of food. So much that if we are visiting a patient in a hospital, we carry fruits, right? I mean, it's because fruits look so fresh, colorful, and because it's natural. We think it must be so healthy. But how healthy are fruits really? Let's find out. There is no doubt that fruits are a source of many essential vitamins and minerals, and even we get dietary fiber. But when we are talking about the benefits of fruits, let's also address the elephant in the room, that is fructose. Most fruits contain quite a lot of sugars, that is major ones being fructose and glucose. So fructose and glucose together make sucrose, which is basically a table sugar. We all know how bad table sugar is for our health. Now, fructose doesn't raise your blood sugar as much as glucose. Since all blood sugar tests are only measuring blood glucose, the direct effect of fructose on blood sugar level is not noticed. That's how the myth that fruit sugar is good sugar started, but the truth is actually worse for us than the glucose. So glucose is absorbed and stored in cells for energy, but fructose needs to be converted into glucose by the liver before it can be used by the body. All the cells in the body can easily uptake glucose, but only the liver can process fructose initially. If we consume in excess, it acts like a toxin because liver can only process a limited quantity at a time, and the excess gets converted to fat and stored in your liver. Excess fructose damages the liver and leads to insulin resistance as well as fatty liver. In fact, fructose has the same effect on the liver as alcohol, no doubt about it. So are fruits that bad? Because humans have been eating fruits since ages, but the fruits back then were not the same as today. The fruits that we eat undergo pesticide treatments, preservatives, and injected with sugars or even genetically modified to enhance their taste and shelf life. Our ancestors were obviously consuming them in most organic form. Just see these pictures of the fruits back then and now. Does it look anything like before? Also, the lifestyle of our ancestors was such that they could easily utilize whatever sugar they got from the fruits. Now, the most important part, our ancestors never made a juice out of it. So, you see, the bigger problem lies in the way we consume the fruits. If you have fruits in the form of juices, or you end up consuming a lot of fructose, and that too without any benefits of natural fiber that helps in digestion of fruits. If you add fruits as a topping to your ice creams or eat as a fruit salad, again you end up consuming a lot of sugar. To sum it up, if you are fit, it's okay to enjoy your favorite fruit. Eat your fruit as a meal instead of with or without after meal. Avoid having bowl of multiple fruits along with an otherwise high carb diet, or having juices every day. If you are on a fat loss diet, it's best to keep your fruits intake low. Very important, if you are a pre-diabetic or diabetics, it's best to avoid fruits as much as possible. An occasional seasonal fruit is fine, but fruits every day is a strict no for a diabetics. I hope I have cleared all your doubts about whether fruits are healthy to consume or not. If you like this video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.